How do you say daddy, Serena? How do you say daddy? How do you say daddy? How do you say ball? How do you say ball, Serena? Ball. Ball. Good job. How do you say flower? Flower. How do you say flower, Serena? How do you say flower? Serena? Serena? Serena, how do you say flower? Flower, that's right. How do you say baby? How do you say baby? How do you say baby, Serena? Serena, how do you say baby? Can you say baby? Baby. Can you say bear? Bear. How do you say milk? Milk. How do you say drink? Drink. 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 How do you say eat? Good job. How do you say? How do you say more? More. More. Serena? Serena? How do you say airplane? Airplane. Good job.